polyester shirts are always favored by people who do sublimation print. The shirts are in large demands in our daily life, as we know people are always looking for personalized and unique shirts to express themselves. And also, DIY shirts is a really simple project, but it will come out with really stunning effect. So later I will introduce more details about our white polyester shirts, and also I will show you the sublimation process step by step. These white shirts are made of quality polyester and spandex, and you can see the material is really comfortable, soft, and breathable and flexible, especially suitable to wear in summer. And for the size, this one I hold is size large. Yeah, and we make these shirts according to US size standard, so it is very convenient for you to choose the size. And this one is size small, and you can contact us to get the detailed size chart to choose the suitable size. And for these shirts, you can print any pattern you like on anywhere you like. You can print a variety of patterns, and also these shirts are suitable for many occasions. You can print them for parties, vacation, and also for some company events, for the office, also many other occasions. These shirts can be applied. Okay, so the first step, you need to print your design on the sublimation paper. And please remember to mirror your design, such as this one. And you can use a cardboard to help the printing. Yeah, you can use it to add in the middle of the shirts, so it can help us to get a better printing effect. And for the time and temperature, we will use 180 degrees Celsius and for 45 seconds. And then we need to put the shirts flat on the machine. So then the sublimation paper, yeah, and plaster on the shirts. Yeah, you can use the paint tape to fix it. So let's check the printing. So we can remove the paper and then we remove the cardboard pad inside. And this is the finished shirts we have got. It prints really well. You can see the printing is very vivid and bright.